One thing we've heard for sure from ancient books, from ancient say, civilizations from across the world need to see the world one family.
But one thing we found all over history:
war and killing,
destruction and jealousy, hunger for power and cruelty. Let us dream Vasudeva Kutumbakam,
a world that lives as one human family.
let us look for a world of Ubuntu.
It's time to see our strength is in unity.
Let us work with Hongik, Ingan in our hearts.
Choosing paths that lift up everyone.
Let us live with Lago and Wabi-Sabi.
Turn away from greed and choose to care.
one thing for sure about a future. Unless we stop the things what we do now.
Stop fighting that separate us.
Stop fights or mocking each other.
One thing we can do to make things better.
Be a human who care for each other.
Open-minded, realizing
Let us dream Vasudeva Kutumbakam,
A world that lives as one human family.
let us look for a world of Ubuntu.
It's time to see our strength is in unity.
Let us work with Hongik, Ingan in our hearts.
Choosing paths that lift up everyone.
Let us live with Lago and Wabi-Sabi.
Turn away from greed and choose to care.
We become human when are in harmony with the universe. Be united for each other and mindful of the Mother Earth. As we take an action every day to nurture the world around us. Wabi-Sabi. Let us dream Vasudeva Kutumbakam,
A world that lives